pumpkin spice, roasted pecan, apple cinnamon, and grenadine syrup. I'm showing you how to make all 4 cozy fall and winter coffee syrups at home, and it's much easier than you think. Let's start with a healthier apple cinnamon syrup. Grab a Honeycrisp apple and slice it. This helps release as much apple flavor as possible. Add 1½ cups of water and 1 cup of sugar into a saucepan and stir them to dissolve the sugar. I'm using allulose. It tastes like regular sugar, won't crystallize, and has 0 calories. It's a great option if you want to manage blood sugar or just want a lighter version. Add the sliced apple and 3 cinnamon sticks, then boil for about 10 minutes to let the apples cook completely and release their flavor. Add a small pinch of salt to bring the flavors out, and let it boil for another 10 minutes. By the way, full recipes are in the caption if you want to check them out. Turn off the heat and let it cool down. When it's warm but no longer boiling, add ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir well and strain the syrup through a strainer or cheesecloth. Once it's fully cooled, pour it into a bottle and store it in the fridge. It keeps for 2 to 3 weeks, but you'll finish it long before that. For the second one, let's make the roasted pecan syrup, one of the best fall and winter coffee syrups, and way better than what you get at Starbucks or any other cafes. Crush 1 cup of pecans first so they can infuse into the syrup better and faster. Then toast them for about 2 minutes. When they're roasted, add 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar, or like me, allulose to keep it low in calories. Bring it to a boil to have everything mix, and then let it simmer for 7 minutes. Drop in 1 cinnamon stick and a pinch of salt. If you add the cinnamon sooner, its taste will take over, which is not what we want here. Let it cook for just 3 more minutes, and strain the syrup immediately. Let it cool down, then mix in a tablespoon of maple syrup and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That gives it a warm and bright taste. Bottle it and keep it in the fridge. It will be good for a couple of weeks. It's a perfect syrup to add a bit of coziness and the taste of fall to any drink, either cold or hot. I'm sure this will be one of the drinks that you will be making regularly. The third one is the most aromatic and delicious pumpkin spice syrup. It's not your average pumpkin spice syrup, and it's perfect for both hot and iced coffee. Start with 1 cup of water and 1 cup of brown sugar in a saucepan. Stir it and let the sugar melt completely. You can also use something like allulose if you want to make it low in calories. Then add in 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 cloves, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom, and 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. Stir it well and lower the heat. Let it simmer for 10 minutes to mix all of the flavors. If you're enjoying this, please follow me so you won't miss the next video. Now comes the secret twist. Add 3 strips of lemon peel, and make sure not to include the white part, and 1 sage leaf to add another layer of flavor and brightness to the syrup. Boil just 2 to 3 minutes more so the flavors stay bright, not overpowering. Strain it and let it cool completely. Then add ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt to make the flavors pop even more. Highly suggest filtering the syrup with a cheesecloth or a coffee filter bag if you want to have a smoother syrup. And you'll have a smooth, fragrant pumpkin spice syrup packed with cozy fall flavor. It'll last 2 weeks, but I'm sure you'll finish it in days. The last one, the grenadine syrup, is a bit different. It's also one of my favorites. You may also know this one as pomegranate coffee syrup. Add 1¼ cups of fresh pomegranate juice. The pasteurized one from the store won't be the same. 1 cup of sugar, which again I used allulose to keep it lighter. 3 lemon peels for that extra brightness, and a pinch of salt to a saucepan. Bring it to a boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer and become thicker for about 15 minutes. Remove from heat, and once it cools a bit, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and ½ teaspoon of lemon juice. Pour it into a container, and you've got a bright, tangy, and sweet syrup that's perfect for a fall affogato or super unique pomegranate iced coffee. I hope you enjoyed these recipes. Let me know which one is your favorite, or if you want any other recipes for me to make. And make sure to follow me for more coffee recipes.